Hello, Glorify users. Welcome back to the Glorify channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce an amazing new feature that will take your designs to the next level. The AI Image Upscaler, powered by Leonardo AI. This tool is perfect for enhancing the quality of your images, making them sharper, clearer, and ideal for high-resolution projects. Let's dive in. To get started, head to your project on which you want to upscale the image. Now, there are two ways to upscale the image. Select the image, and on the right-hand side, you'll see the Upscale Image option. Alternatively, click the plus icon to open the libraries. From here, you can use the Upscale AI Image option and select the image you want to upscale from the Uploaded Images section. Once you select the image, you can customize the upscaling settings. Here are a few tips. Use lower values for the creativity setting to ensure your image doesn't change significantly. Adjust the size of the output image with the multiplier slider. The higher the value, the larger the image will be. You can also input guidance in the prompt section to refine the upscaling results further. Once you've set your preferences, click Upscale. In just a few seconds, your image is transformed into a high-quality masterpiece. Finally, download your upscaled image and use it in your designs with confidence. It's that simple. Ready to upgrade your visuals? Try the AI Upscaler now and make every design pixel perfect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Happy designing with Glorify!